Come on, Lee.
Yes.
Don't
strip
strip
the
the
wire.
Whoa!
Strip the wire. Look at the wire.
Yeah, look
Whoa!
at
Alright, listen. Remember what he said how to do this?
That's ruined. You can't do
Twist it.
anything with
Yeah,
it.
before you do that though, you want both wires the same what?
Length.
Go
Trim
over here
them
and
bad
then
boys.
Trim off right about there together. Handle it.
You're on candy camera. That mustache.
Is he really filming?
No, he's just looking at you. Come on! Ooh.
It might be getting a little...
Don't be such a woman.
What? You draw.
How long does it take?
It's not cutting!
What do you do now? What do you say?
Ponytail them.
Always
Each
twist
of them.
clockwise just a little bit. Why are you twisting clockwise? Pay attention, girls. Because that's the way all your screw posts tighten down there is clockwise. So you might as well go ahead and learn to twist all your
Just like the hooks when you don't.
That's counterclockwise, girls.
Yeah.
Shut up.
How do you do that?
Touch it.
No.
I guess it's getting hot.
Lay it over in the neck. Like this. Wrap it around this one and wrap it all around the other.
Can I make a design of this board?
Oh, baby was here.
Go fire!
Are you filming this? You're not trying to get the wires, you're trying to get the hands. The hands is what you're aiming for.
I got the one.
Alright.
You gotta give it a minute to heat it up.
Well, I'm just doing it.
Now you
No,
want to put
apparently
the very
you're not.
tip on the wire, not the side of the tip. No. The tip of this, tip of this.
What? Sit it
Oh, my
straight
God.
up.
Set the tip right on the wire.
Got enough wire out of there?
That's on the wire, on the wire.
On the wire.
Uh-huh.
On that there wire.
Now, let it heat for about 45 seconds and it should start to pull underneath.
That's scary.
Every time you heat the wire up.
Okay, here.
Smell burning himself. Your fingers burning.
She sucks.
That should be. Yeah, it should be.
I'm not gonna burn it.
No. We'll tell you, Melissa.
Well, that's a 25 watt iron. That wire doesn't have a lot of heat. It takes, sometimes you need to push against the tip.
Use this one next.
Pulling in the wire.
Oh, it melted!
Oh, wow! You don't say.
Start here and pull your heat this way so it follows. There you go. Oh, Lord.
Oh, God.
Whoa!
My fingers starting to get hot.
Tell her to hurry up.
I hope that whole wire melts.
Hey, it's straight.
It's not burning plastic now. Alright, I think it's...
Alright, look over the wire.
I think, yeah. Dude, just switch it together now.
Go ahead, strip your wires. Do the shit, come on. Do the way I'm doing mine.
Whoa. No, I'm doing mine. Either, be careful where you put the people, like grinders.
Yeah, I don't care. Go ahead.
Let me see if I can...
And you know, no one knows how to do a pigtail.
No, but we're not doing pigtail.
You're doing the pigtail or the other one.
Now you guys have to wait until it heats up. That's why I was just putting it there. I'm still doing it, by the way. Alright, words. I'm going to give Ethan a lesson here.
It can be pigtail or the other one. It doesn't matter.
Alright.
It doesn't have to do exactly what you showed.
Look how much better that was.
Stand still.
It's the same.
No, it doesn't because it's even. It doesn't have to go.
Your pop. That's it.
Where'd you get this from? It's supposed to be in order. Nice stuff. It won't even burn through wood.
No, I'm not. It's off.
I'm gonna hurt you. Would you
quit bitching about the camera and just do the damn thing?
Nah, it's not off. It's cool.
Shut up! Please do it. Now.